It's pretty cool.
Huh?
I like this. It's pretty cool. Especially I haven't ridden Anderson in a long time. It's good for a prayer.
Yeah, because there's going to be, you know, there's obviously, you see the fast guys, they'll probably go up the fast and loose.
Yeah.
We can either go that or we can go the other way. Because there are going to be people going that way too.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll probably check out Fast and Loose.
We're going to do fast and loose?
Yeah, but I'm not going to go and do anything crazy.
Yeah.
Just, yeah. Well, that's but. Oh shit! You alright? Alright, slow down.
Oh, shit.
This is gonna be great. You good, dude? All right. It's ready. There's a little drop. Oh shit. Okay. It's a lot gnarlier than I remember, but okay. Holy shit. That's a little rowdy, dude. Yeah. There's some decent step dart drops.
Well, we gotta make another break now.
Yeah. Okay. Slow down, Steve. Slow down. Oh, shit. I got you.
Good, go ahead.
No, just go ahead, keep going. I already lost my momentum. All right.
You gotta spread the needle here. Nice. Some people might be coming.
You all right? Nice. Nice little bridge. That's dope. Oh my God, it's been such a long time. Still climbing. Appreciation station. Can't see shit. That's a trip. See the clouds just. Wow. That's crazy. All right, let's try it again. Dude, I don't remember this trail at all. Have to drop. For the most part, it hasn't really changed much. Still rutted. We'll see how it is up here. And I'll find right into the rut. Dude. No way. That wasn't even gnarly. I haven't done that in over a year. Crazy. Oh.
Brad, you take the dirt again? Just the bush.
I can look at the door.
All right, Chris. Thank you. Blew that one. Hey, that's a roller if you want to try that. I'm just too much of a pussy. Oh, here's the split I was talking about.
Oh, okay.
I catch my breath. All right.
bud. Let's try to get out of the way.
Yeah.
That was a pretty good dinger.
It dug it right into that. He's coming down. Oh,
Chris, good luck, buddy.
thanks. I appreciate it,
Hope you're feeling
man.
good in the morning. That'll be the test. You'll be fine.
Yeah, yeah,
ice.
we'll see.
Yeah, you'll be good.
Right safe,
We got
brother.
2 riders coming.
Oh, okay.
It's not bad. Just cruise it.
All right, guys. Right safe. Stupid. That's what I get. That's why I never lead. I always don't throttle back. But when I'm following somebody, I can kind of gauge my speed and, you know, tap on the brakes. Not like today, man, where I was just beating. Felt good going fast though. But now that I'm in pain. Oh yeah, and this hurts right here. You feel it in my rib. Damn, I usually blast through here too. Okay. Chill. Yeah, my chest hurts. At least the side, my ribs. It's alright. Yeah, it's catching up.
Okay, so really, you're not allowed to lead anymore.